Si magpangapri. Oy, si magpangapri.
This is so nice. Here's our view. We're walking again. One take lang. Yung transition ni Carly. Ay. Where is me? Saan yan? Yay! Your video. Ang gulo ko na naman mag-video. Nakakainis. Parang paikot-ikot. Ah.
Station.
Pacific Air welcomes you to Panglao International Airport in Bohol.
Opo, tagulit. Ganyan yan eh. Pero mo siya. Oh, kapanda. Galing. Tinry lang namin yung gesture. While waiting for our order. Okay, bye-bye. Nagsistop pa siya? Ayun yung hindi ko alam. Hindi, feeling ko dun siya. Dito na. Okay, bye. Here's the food. Here's the food. At yung Turkish yung rasa. Turkish yata ito na shawarma. This is the sizzling shawarma. Oh. Shawarma. Hindi ito masarap food ko. We're walking papunta sa beach. Crazy. 7-minute walk lang siya. Here's the beach na. Yeah.
Forget about touching grass. I need to touch the sea. I need to go in the water. I need to dive in the sea.
Let's go underwater. Tawahan mo sa underwater. Pinamahan ko kayo underwater. Come with us underwater. Go. Dito ako. Dito ako. Okay, bye-bye. Mag-swimming lang kami. This is the main purpose of this. This is it. Ito na talaga. Dagat na kami. Hello. Tignan nyo, iba yung seaweed sa kanila dito compared sa... Actually, seaweed ba to? Hindi to... Seaweed siguro to, hindi siya lumot na compared sa Boracay. Oo, that's seaweed. Diba? Iba siya. Compared yun dun sa Boracay. Or same texture. Ay, eto parang, I think, straw to. Dumi pala.
Ready. It's a magic look. Strike for me.
Are you going to place the stripe?
Nalilig ba to?
Yung stripe na.
Or kahit ito na lang. Kasi may wipes naman ako dito.
Ako na lang mag...
Ano ba to? Alam mo, oh. Ganun-ganun. Kita mo? Naka-flare. Hindi ko pwedeng... Okay, we're leaving. Ito, ang ganda. We're leaving.
Going to be farm?
Bee farm?
Bee farm? Bohol Bee Farm.
Or Bohol Bee Farm. Okay. Pero nakatabing yung pagkakawit. Anyway, bye-bye.
Dito muna kami sa 7-Eleven while waiting. Para naman ako nakapag. Sa Grab. For the safety.
Ma'am, pwede ko naman ibigay yung number ko, ma'am.
Sige. Same price lang din, sir.
Simple lang po, ma'am.
Okay, sige pa. Thank you po.
Kung mahirap kasi dito wala masyadong signal dito. Diba, wala masyadong signal.
Oo nga po.
Thank you.
Tignan mo, magugustuhan ni Mami dito. Diba? Alam mo, minsan, magaling ka na lang. Let's go. Welcome. Going down to the restaurant. Welcome to the restaurant. Yo, Karil. Ano ba? Magugustuhan ni Mami dito. Bilisan mo, lumayo ka sa akin. We're here na sa restaurant. Wait lang, ano kasi ako. Ayan siya. May view doon. Okay, nakahanap na kami ng seat namin.
Hey! Ariel!
Here's our view. Complimentary chips and bread. So nice. This is so nice. Malunggay butter. Ganda ng lighting. Ganda. Sarap. Ito, malunggay. Pwede ko mga pinadala mo. Parang siya pinimorgan na may cheese pizza, head rice, then halang-halang. And then the kasama chips and then bread. Done eating. Gagi, ba't ang puti mo nakakatakot? Ew. Look at this view, so nice. Wow. Pretty. Bye-bye. Lagi lang bye-bye. We're done eating na and we're going back. So, yun lang yung purpose namin dito. To eat. Meron dito pwede natin siyang daan. If you want, pero tinatamad na ako. May parang
Ba't mo
mga
pa sinabi?
may mga garden dito. So, explain ko na lang sa'yo. Tapos visualize mo na lang habang
Wait lang, kasi ang cute eh. Wow! So enchanting.
Bakit?
Yeah. Sana mag-reply yung Grab.
Yeah.
Kasi the signal is hard.
Setting up. Saan tayo tatayo? Tayo lang ba yun?
Bees will buzz. The Buzz Cafe.
Lot of girls here. Wow. Look at this girl. Wow. Oh, so pretty.
The integrated disturbance.
Okay, we're here. Going in ako. Yay, we're back. Lamig. Okay. I-idlip muna kami ni Karil. Yeah. Oy. See you later, mate. Bye, Noy. Wala pa kami sleep. Happy birthday. Just woke up. And we're gonna swim and drink by the beach. Yeah. See you there. Done swimming na. Next, ano bang gagawin namin? We don't know. Baka bumalik kasi natatay daw siya. Pero yung ginagawa niya. Pakihirap naman desisyones na ba?
Dito sila tatambay sa tapat namin.
Kami tatambay sa tapat ng accommodation. Sa beach ride siya. Happy hour, 12 to 6. So, happy hour na ngayon. So, we're walking. Tapos naghahanap kami ng snack. Or, I don't know. Hindi na kami bumalik sa accommodation kasi nawala na. Nature isn't calling her anymore. Nag-drop call na siya. Because nature isn't calling you anymore. Nag-drop call na siya. Okay. It's funny for me. Pang smart kasi na joke yun eh.
Iingan niya sa kanila. Pangkam mo to. Gamot ito.
Sa akin na lang po. There. Ano ba sa'yo? Hello, babe.
Oh shit, the fuck was that? I got poop by a bird. Okay. So we go to the sea. Iwan.
Hindi ka marunong magbukas, no? Hindi, nabuksan ko siya ng tama. Naiwan lang yung ito sa loob.
Judger. Grabe, cold naman.
Wala silang ano, microwave lang.
Pero that's toasted. Just want the seaweed na lang. Ang lamig!
Bigas ng kanin.
Grabe ang lamig. Hindi na sulit. Hindi na commercial. Ang mga good thing lang dito. Saan na papasok?
Okay, here's our spot. Ganyan si Karil. She's checking ng mga menu. So, yes.
Divay! Divay!
Lalakad na kami kasi mapagod kami. Galit. But happy hour. Happy hour!
Uratan man tanong day oy. Ha? Uratan ko. Uratan ga? Si magpangapi. Oy, si magpangapi. Kabalo ka. Singapi.
On the way to dinner na we don't know where. Sa main street na ka. Main street. Kasi yung mahal din sa beachfront. Oh, this is a budgeted trip. Yeah. Nakita ko yung... Buti nakita ko talaga. Hindi ako nakita photo mo. Saan natin nilalagay? Pwede ka ba dito? Oh, you can see us. Wait. Nice. So nice. Ganda na photo kasi ano, madami pagpipili. Oo. Mas maganda nga yung gano'n. Case, may parang free yata. 10% discount. Leave a sweet review and enjoy 10% off. Oh. You need to leave a review first. Okay. Going back to dinner. Oo. Bye.
What grill?
Ito, kukuha ka ng
Get your plate daw. Tapos,
Ano mas prefer mo? Ito or yung may calamares?
may kalamar para ba sa both rolls.
Omoshi. Dinner time. Hello. Dinner.
Bakit ko yung masarap? Ano ba yung masarap?
Parang pizza. Okay, we're done. Bye-bye. Hi. So full. Balik na kami sa... Saan? Saan na babalik? Sa tapat ng accommodation. Titignan namin kung tumaas yung water. Basta doon na lang kami, tapos iinom kami ni Karil.
Napaalatawa.
So, yeah. So far, that's the plan. Uminom. And swim. Yeah. Okay, naghahanap si Karil ng dessert. Tingnan natin. Ayoko ng mango. Parang gusto ko ng soft serve. Pero not mango.
May gas. Look what we found! May nagpa-fire dance.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I think we had a full
Hello. So pretty ah. Kailangan namin what do you call this? Gumising ng umaga tomorrow because mababa yung tide. And yun yung inaabangan namin na mataas yung water. Yun lang. Parang hindi ko pala natapos exactly yung kwento. Pero whatever.
Ganda kasi tingnan mo. Parang umuulan.
Galing.
Hindi naman kita dyan. Dito na sa phone.
Mamaya.
Editing skills. Ayan. Woo! So pretty.
Bye. Come with me to buy drinks. 7-Eleven. Cutie 7-Eleven. Got it. Going back to that loner. Tinan niyo siya kasi loner siya. Look at this loner. Kaya sasamahan ko siya kasi I'm friendly.
We have a problem.
We have a problem.
Bili sigarilyo, hindi niya naman pinabuksan.
Kasi paano kung dami kong dala eh.
Sakit na. Sakit kasi masyado ako natuwa. We are going to be resourceful. Unfortunately, we do not have any resources. This is us. Kasi ayaw namin bumalik doon. Auto open. Auto. Bend the cap up a bit pa yun. Then you get it. Try mo nga. Sige nga tapos. Video mo. Bakit valid gas out. I am a master opener. I'll try it. Akin tuloy walang video. Ay, ayun pala, very pala. Yes. Yeah. Nawala din yung lamig. Kadang breathing.
Oh, matiyan na lang.
Kasi gusto ko pala ng malamig.
Oo, di malamig yun.
Tapos walang mga snacks. Ito na lang nakita ko.
So, we're out ulit. So, tapos na yung fire dance.
Napakita ba dito yung fire dance?
Yeah. Okay. We're walking again.
Ilang ko nang inaamoy pa.
Hala, meron pa doon.
Fire dance. dance pa to. I don't know if you can see. I don't know if you can see, pero may fire dance ulit. Anong oras na ba? Baka ganitong oras talaga sila nag-ano. Fire dance. It's 9:37. It's fire dance time pala. Ito na siya. Meron na naman. Okay, sige. Maghanap lang kami ng pupuntahan. Bye. Wala kaming makitang ganap. Kaya we're going to Jollibee.
Alam mo,
Going to take out. Magta-take out na lang kami. Then we'll eat it sa accommodation. Such a nice plan.
Nagpalit tayo for that. Hindi ko tatapa rin na ako maligo.
Got the good. Got the good. Ay, dito pala. Got the good. Going back. We're back. Your accommodation. The Jollibee. At the goods. Going. There's a lot of it. And oh my gosh. Look-looking. Yes. We're back. We're back.
Okay, nakatapos na nag-fit ng gamit. So, I'm just gonna wrap here. Bang. What did I Parang friend enough lang ito. Ayun ang ulo.
Number 38. So guys, kami lang 9:30. So baka mag-swim tayo and breakfast. Breakfast. Para ako ay coffee. Or let's see. Okay. Sige, see you downstairs.
Look at this island doggy.
We're the chosen one.
Hi!
Wow.
Sexy pa siya. Tingnan mo yung face na kakagigil. Gusto ko
Para sa si Margie. Nakauna na siya sa akin. Actually, masakit yung sag. Paano na ako? Kakilos na to. Bye-bye, doggy. Cleaning up na. Bye-bye. Kami nakapag-swim kasi ang daming fish. Hindi ako naka-get up na kami, oh. Get up talaga na pa. Bye-bye! Ang ganda pa naman ng higa niya. Bye-bye, doggy. Pagising niya. Yes, I have two panyo. May panyo ako. Oh. Ah, okay. Okay, we're going to go out to eat. Hi. So we're going out for brunch. Is this brunch? That's brunch na. So we're walking to the ang pangalan ng Tito.
Tito Belly, parang
Tito Ben something.
Tito's Big Belly.
Open 10 a.m. nga. Ito, oh, you know. We accept cash, credit, and it's only 9:20. They open at 10. Shit. So, pa naman namin dito. Here. Macdo. In Panglao. Then, yeah. Okay, bye-bye. Magkakabot kami. We're going back on our accommodation with our coffee. Our very sweet coffee. Ang taas na ng water. Ito yung gusto namin pag-swimmingan. Walang fishies masyado. Ayun, no, tas may lilim palok. Malapit na kami sa accommodation. Ang ganda kasi. Ang ganda, tas ng water.
Nothing is going home. That's it. That's the day off. It's 10:29. 12:40. Can you see? Okay, let's go.
Look, ang lapit na. Ang taas na ng water. Bye. Okay, tara na. We have to book pa. See you later, mate. Waiting for our Grab. Ganda, lapit na ng water. Ayun, sinasabi siya kanila, lapit na ng tubig sa. Ganda na ng water. Ang ganda. Side na the airport.
Flight 5J61E.
Papasok namin kayo sa security check.
X-ray.
Sa X-ray. Cute lang na ay. How was your experience inside the X-ray? Ito lang. Kung to look for pasalubong. 290. Yung kailangan namin last night. Where we proved ourselves. Inisip ko bakit turtle. Kasi nga worthy. Look at the tarsier. Gate ng airport na lang. This is our gate. Pero, dun tayo sa kita yung aircraft. Kasi maganda yung view. There's our aircraft. Hello. Waiting.
Attention to all guests of Cebu Pacific Flight 5.
Boarding time. Boarding na.
Our safety and comfort is always our priority, and we request all you appreciate
Okay,
it.
bye-bye.
And please do not hesitate to call on the attention of our
Hindi
traffic
ko talaga walang
if
akong
you
kaso.
require further assistance
Yabang naman ng
or
DO.
investigation on
Yes, of course. Okay.
We wish you a safe.
ate.
Okay na yan.